between drilling the well and slinging in stone. It's a loud site here this morning on Sparrow Lake. We're on to the next phase of this project. As you can see, the foundation is complete. All these columns are going to support the sunroom and porches and deck area out here. We're just slinging in some fine granite screenings in the frost wall area of the front. This will get packed. You can see the plate tamper here will get packed in because this will eventually have a stone patio. So we certainly want to make sure it's packed, that it won't settle. And we have some drainage coming out of the bottom of the wall. You can't see it there. We're putting in drainage to make sure that this area here will drain away from the foundation so that no water accumulates here. And yeah, next phase is to get the stone inside and get the floor poured. So we'll get some more shots then. Thanks for watching.